Samurai Carpenter router jig for cutting mortise and tenons, a 3-minute overview. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. I ran across a video by the Samurai Carpenter where he took a simple 12 by 12, 3/8 inch thick piece of polycarbonate, and he created a very stable base for his plunge router, and then put a series of holes around the edge that allowed him to attach fences so that it became a very stable mortise and tenon cutting aid. So that's what I'm going to build today.
Use a straight edge from the corners to find the center. Then mark a circle around that using some sort of device. Then show where the base screws are for your router. I'm using a drill press with the circle saw on it to cut out the center hole. That worked really well. Drill with a countersink bit from the bottom side of your plastic sheet where you need to attach the router. You might want to do those part way through with a Forstner bit, small one, and then a hole larger than the screws you're going to use so that you can center your base when you need to. Then countersink from the opposite side, in this case the top side, screws every 3/4 of an inch around the entire edge of the base, and this is what it looks like when you're finished. I have a link to Jesse's or to the Samurai Carpenter's video in my description, and you can see him demonstrate using his jig to set it up to cut a mortise and then a through tenon, and very educational. Thank you, Jesse, for a great idea. As far as the polycarbonate sheet, I got mine off of Amazon, delivered in 2 days. Go to Jesse's store on his website, click on anything that takes you to Amazon, and then do a search for polycarbonate sheet, transparent, small parts. Small workshop guy, signing off. Hey, do me a favor, give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thank you.